Here we are, Chapter 3, Review 1, numbers 4 through 9. Here it says give 3 points. Just give 3 points. That's all we've got to do. Now notice it doesn't have specific points that we have to find, like the intercepts or anything like that. So we're going to find just 3 points. We're going to take and stick in, well, intercept's easiest for me. I'm going to stick in 0 for x. That's gone right there. And then we just get y equals a -4. Good. Let's stick in, like, I don't know, 3. 3 times 0.25 is 0.75 minus 4 is a -3.25. Good. Stick in another one. I don't know, 12. 12 times 0.25 is 3 minus 4 is a -1. There we go. Those are 3 points. And the points that you got may not match those, but you'll get them the same way. You'll just grab a point, number for x, stick it in, or you could even do a number for y and then solve for x. Any of those will be fine. Number 5. So here we have 7x minus 2y equals a -3. I'm going to do the y-intercept because it's easy. Stick in a 0 there, and I get -2y equals -3. Divide by a -2, and I get 3/2. Okay. Now, because it's an easy one to solve for, I'm going to stick 0 here. That's gone. And I have 7x equals -3. Divide by 7, and I get -3/7. Good. Now we just have to get one more. 7 minus, if I had 7 minus, I don't know, 10, I'd get a -3. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to stick a 1 there and then solve this guy. It becomes 7 minus 2y equals a -3. Subtract 7 from both sides to get -2y equals a -10. Y equals 5. And there are 3 points. Number 6. X minus y equals a -2. I'm going to pick the easy ones again, go the easy route. If I pick 0 for x, then this guy's gone. -y equals -2. Divide by that -1, and I get y equals 2. If I stick 0 in on the other side, get that other intercept, the x-intercept, stick 0 in here, and I get x equals a -2. And then for another point, I don't know, stick in 7 for y. Pick a random number, stick it in, and I get x minus 7 equals a -2. Add 7 to both sides, and I get x equals 5. Again, you might have 3 completely different points. You'll notice here I got the intercepts, here I didn't. But you should be able to just stick in numbers and get points, whether they turn out to be fractions or not. Okay, number 7. Find the slope of the given points. As a reminder, here's the formula for slope. x2 minus x1. Good. And that right there, remember, it could be y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2, and that would work as well. So the slope in this one is going to be 7/5 minus 0 over 2/3 minus 1/3. Ooh, that looks huge. Look at those fractions. It's all right. We have 7/5 over 2/3 minus 1/3 is 1/3. Now you could punch that in your calculator if you're scared to death of fractions, or you could see this is just a divide sign. That's 7/5 divided by 1/3, and by hand 7/5 times 3 over 1 equals 21 over 5. So we have 21 over 5 as the slope right there. Okay, number 8. Here we have slope is going to be 2/3 minus 2/3 over 0 minus a -3. That equals 2/3 minus 2/3 is 0 over 0 minus a -3 is 3. Now you may forget, is that horizontal or vertical? One way to tell is that you see the y's have remained constant. So this is going to be a y equals 2/3. So it's going to be horizontal. The other way is that go ahead and punch that into the calculator. If it tells you error, then that's your undefined. But if it tells you 0, then it's just 0, and that's what it will do. Okay, number 9. Slope is -3 minus a -7 over 2 minus a -6. Now notice I took this guy minus that guy. That's what I said over here with you could have y1 minus y2, x1 minus x2. So whether you subtract left to right or right to left, it shouldn't make any difference at all as long as you don't switch up the direction halfway through the problem. So you have -3 plus 7, that's a 4, over 2 plus 6 is 8. That reduces down to 1/2. And there we have the slopes. Good.